Someone's here to see me?
Oh, hello, Jorge.
You're catching me in the middle of a reading session, my dear boy. It's so good to see you with the help of my PNP console. I wanted to talk to you about a few things. Luna, could you get his big book for me, please? Did you know that I keep a book about every child in the world? It's in this book that the elves make a note of all the things you do and all the things that interest you. For example, I see here there's a gift you've been hoping for, like a certain toy. Come with me. I want to show you something. As you can see, my elves are very, very hard at work today. This room is the last stop for the presents before they get loaded onto my sleigh for the big night. Jorge, let me show you how I know where to deliver each present on Christmas Eve. Can one of you bring me his gift tag, please? Every year, the elves create a magical gift tag just for you. If you're on my nice list, we take your gift tag and put it right here. This tells me exactly where to deliver your present. Isn't that wonderful? Looks like I might also be delivering gifts in your neighborhood. Now let's go and find out if you're on the nice list. Kylo, Rhea, make sure one of you puts the gift tag back on the present, please. It's important. We don't want to lose it. Let's see what it says in your big book. You're 10 years old, aren't you? And you're in elementary school. What a great day that was. Santa knows there's a special gift you've been hoping for. Do you think you've been good since last Christmas? I know this year you have been asked to try your best to always listen to your daddy. To find out if you've tried hard enough, my elves will now run your book through one of our special machines. That's not the list you want to be on, is it? My elves and I know you can do better. Will I bring you the gift I've set aside for you? If you try a little harder, you still have time to make it onto my nice list before Christmas. If you want, you can always come back later and see if things have changed. If we don't get a chance to talk again before then, we all wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Ho, 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 ho!